you're here. It's Peg, and today I am sharing the tag for Pick a Stick Challenge. There are 4 steps in the color, which is turquoise, and there's also a substitute for one of these 4. If you don't like one of these, you can use a wild card of color. So, first step was to sew. So I took I had die cut these tags, and this is a digital image that comes from Gina B. Aaron's Etsy store. And since it was the first thing said to sew, yeah, I took those 2 pieces and I sewed them together. I don't sew, can you tell? I just randomly, took my sewing machine and went over it and sewed those 2 pieces together. Now, the second prompt is crayon. So for that, I'm going to grab my distress crayons, right? I mean, why not? And because of the colors that are on here, I'm going to grab this vintage photo to start with. I'm just going to hit the edge of this with the vintage photo. Because I can, because I like it. And then I'm going to take my finger and just smudge that in. I know, Shell's saying, ew, brown. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing says smash. But before I do that, I want to take some more of that turquoisey color. I've got some distress crayon here. And this is that turquoisey blue. Actually, that's very blue. Not sure if I like that. I'm just going to put a few circles on here of that color. And I've got to get 5 in there because, 4 won't do. Okay, so there's that blue. But let's go to I wonder what I did with them. I think I have some. Well, let's see what we got in here. These are scribble sticks. Let's do a little bit of the white scribble stick around these. It's just picking up the blue. It's not really putting much down there. But it's making a mess out of me. Okay. So, smash. All right. I need to smash something, and what I'm going to do, smash, smash, smash. I'm going to take some of this Glitter Kiss. Yeah, should have cleaned that. But I'm going to, that's pretty. I'm going to get a stencil and which one do I want? Let's get, here's something with scribbly hearts on it. Let's do this one. And let's smash some of this right into our stencil onto the surface. Why not? Make that really pretty and sparkly. Leave that over here where I can get at it though. So, we are smashing it through our stencil and adding that glittery stuff. Let's see what that looks like. Take a peek. Yeah, I like that. so we did our smash. Then number 4 is light. So what am I going to do? I'm going to clean up my stencil for one thing, because I don't want that stuff stuck on there. So I'm going to get a baby wipe. So I can clean that off and clean my fingers at the same time, because I've got crayons stuck all over me. That'll give this a chance to dry. Put that back up there. Clean this off on my undersheet. You never know when you're going to want something glittery under there, right? Get the back side too. Okay, good enough for me. And what did I say the next one was? The next one was light. Okay, so light could just be a light color. And what do I have that's a light color? I've got these flowers, right? So let's get the lid off if I can. There we go. And let's put some light colored flowers on here. And I also want to put some light colored speckles in the background. So let's get some gesso and a tool to apply it. So I've got a little bit of gesso, and I need to water that down just a bit. Just put that out here on this towel that we were using, and get a spritz bottle and water that down so we can get that to splatter a little bit on here, right? Because that'll lighten it up. I like that. And then I think I also want to put a little bit of that around the edge. That also will lighten the edge, right? Just like so. Not rocket science, is it? Okay, so we've got that. Put that in the water, close that up, and I need some pretty brads or something to put that down with. I think I've got plenty of that kind of stuff. Let's see what we've got. Well, we know we've got sequins we can add, right? Put some pretties on there. We could actually put a contrasting floral on if we wanted to, or just a, what do I want there? Okay, don't get carried away. Let's see what we've got. Just looking through my drawers of stuff. Oh, okay. Nothing I want there. Wrong drawer. How about this one? Let's see what we've got here. Oh yeah, this looks like the ticket. So let's get do I want those pearly ones? Or do I just want to Decisions, decisions, right? Kind of like those buttony ones. Those are cute. How about that? How about we do that? Why not? I got 3 of those. Let's do that. And I'm not going to go through the back of the card. I'm just going to go through the flower because, you know, I may want to put something on the back side. But those are cute. Aren't those cute? I like that. So we'll stick that on there. Sure you will, Peg. Stick that on there. Like so. One more to go. Put that back in there. And come on, get in there. There we go. So then I just want some quick tacky glue to put those down. And get some glue on there. Like so. And like so. And one more to go, right? 3s, 5s, those odd numbers. And that is how we put the flowers on. Alright, I need to punch a hole. I wonder if this will work. Here, let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's kind of cool. Why not? Let's use a strip of this to embellish. Or do I want the black? No, I think I like the lighter shade. And for this, I'm just going to rip it down like so. Because we can. Okay, so we've got that. And I want to punch a hole. So let me get my punch. Crocodile. And I want the big side to punch that hole. Right there. Right there. Let's see if I can get this through the hole. That's the ticket. Try to get that through the hole. Okay. Might be a little bit of a challenge, but I'm up for the task. There we go. Okay, so maybe the whole thing doesn't want to go. That's all right. We got 3 of them. I'm good with that. Tie that off. There we go. And we have our tag for Pick a Stick Challenge. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. And I'll see you again next month for the next challenge, right? Bye for now.